Are you excited? About to meet your pen pal?
I'm about to meet my pen pal slash boyfriend, girlfriend, boyfriend.
All right, well.
Here we come, Elizabeth.
Here we go.
Gonna surprise your ass.
Oh, your teeth look good. What are you feeling right now?
Excited.
Okay, here we go.
And I said, we're coming in now.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, so he is in there?
Yeah.
God, she was like right there.
She's right there, so.
What are you gonna do? Just go straight up to her?
Of course, yeah. She's gonna. Fuck is he?
We look like little stalkers out here.
Seriously.
We're like peeking in, and then we're like, go, 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 go.
I'm gonna get my phone wet.
Get over her!
Oh, dang you.
We're videoing. This is a good free hug, right?